Cache Giraffe usually stops opening after an update when the new version conflicts with leftover cache data, incomplete installation files, or an interrupted app launch sequence that prevents the startup screen from loading. By the end, you'll understand why Cache Giraffe won't open after updating, and the exact steps to get it working again without losing your account data. First thing to try is a full-force restart of the app. Don't just minimize it. Close Cache Giraffe completely from your recent apps list and reopen it. After updates, the app can hang on a broken startup state, and a clean relaunch often clears it instantly. Next, check your internet connection. Cache Giraffe needs a stable connection on launch to verify your account and load ads and rewards. If the connection is weak or switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, the app can freeze on the loading screen and never fully open. If that doesn't work, clear the app cache. After updates, old cached files can conflict with new app code. Go into your phone settings, find Cache Giraffe, and clear cache only first. Then reopen the app so it can rebuild fresh startup files. Another common issue is incomplete updates. Sometimes the update looks finished but important files fail to install properly. In that case, uninstalling and reinstalling the app is the cleanest fix because it forces a full replacement of all corrupted files. Before reinstalling, make sure you remember your login method. Cache Giraffe progress is tied to your account, not the app itself. So reinstalling won't remove your earnings as long as you sign back into the same account. Also check if your device has low storage space. If storage is nearly full, the app may fail to unpack update files during launch, which causes it to crash or refuse to open. Freeing up space and restarting your phone can fix that issue. Another factor is system compatibility. If your phone recently updated its operating system, the app may temporarily struggle with the new environment until a patch update is released. In that case, reinstalling the latest version usually resolves compatibility issues. If none of these steps work, restart your phone and try opening the app again after a full reboot. This resets background processes that might be blocking the app from launching properly. Quick summary: Cache Giraffe won't open after updates mainly because of cache conflicts, broken installs, or network issues. Fix it by force closing first, then clearing cache, and finally reinstalling if needed. Most launch problems after updates are temporary and fixable without losing any account data. If this helped, like and subscribe for more fix guides like this.